SAC Trading IT Agency is proud to announce its collaboration with cbed Bangladesh, a program devoted to supporting the economic development of underprivileged youth in Bangladesh. Through this program, SAC Trading IT Agency and cbed Bangladesh will provide mentorship and resources to empower young entrepreneurs and help them create employment opportunities for themselves and others. The pilot project will be held online to ensure that all participants stay safe during these challenging times. We are certain that this online format will not limit our mission, but rather enhance it, as we have access to a greater pool of mentors and partners from across the world. At SAC Trading IT Agency, we take pride in giving back by providing meaningful support to people in need. Our collaboration with cbed Bangladesh is a testament to our commitment to helping young people gain the skills, resources, and confidence needed to become financially independent and reach their true potential. We urge you to join us in our mission by lending your support and expertise to cbed Bangladesh. Together we can help create brighter futures for youth in Bangladesh. Let's make it happen. What is Community-Based Enterprise Development, or cbed? The cbed program is a cost-friendly and scalable training approach that teaches business and entrepreneurial skills to participants in hard-to-reach communities. As part of the activity-based learning methodology, the program encourages learning from each other's unique experiences in a collaborative manner. Community-Based Enterprise Development Bangladesh is short for cbed Bangladesh. This cbed Bangladesh program cohort will be held entirely online to ensure the program's mentors, partners, and participants' health and safety. The International Labour Organization's Community-Based Enterprise Development cbed tools are now in pilot in Bangladesh. How do you learn? The unique approach uses techniques that are flexible, efficient, and low cost, and cover key business skills, including marketing, productivity, bookkeeping, costing. Activity-based, flexible learning, such as role plays, storytelling, and brainstorming. Peer-to-peer, learn from each other. Local facilitator, no external trainer. Explore business improvement opportunities. Make plans. Take action. Introduce innovation. Measure impact. Who benefits? Training young male and female individuals from diverse backgrounds. Enable empowering their business ideas while tackling persistent gender inequalities. These challenges are pre-existing and exacerbating during COVID-19, thus investing in their entrepreneurial and professional potential is more important than ever. What is the expansion of this program? cbed program is introduced in Bangladesh for the first time, while cbed has already been delivered in a dozen countries, including Cambodia, Indonesia, Thailand, and Vietnam. Expansion of the program to the Bangladeshi community is an exciting step. Course outline. Whether you are planning to grow your existing business or start your own startup, the cbed Bangladesh program is a stepping stone in guiding you to take the next step. Module 1. Vision Setting. In this module, you will learn self-introduction and icebreaker session, career choices, how to define your vision, current reality, strategy, and how to make your professional development plan. Module 2. Self-leadership. In this module, you will learn career choices, how to develop self-awareness, how to be a self-directed learner, how to achieve self-organization, making self-evaluation, and wrap-up quiz. Module 3. aspiring entrepreneurs. In this module, you will learn what does it mean to be an entrepreneur, selecting a business idea, evaluating your business idea, wrap-up quiz and homework. Module 4, Marketing Plan. In this module, you will learn career choices, what is marketing, defining your product, setting your business location, promoting your business and wrap-up quiz. Module 5, Pricing Strategies. In this module, you will learn how to review exercise, how to set up your product price, pricing strategy and action plan. Module 6, Startup. In this module, you will learn how to develop a management plan, calculating startup costs and cash flow forecast. Module 7, Human Resource Management. In this module, you will learn about case study, determining human resources need, recruiting right people, retaining good employees. Module 8, Business Model Canvas. In this module, you will learn about key partners, key attributes, key resources, value proposition, customer relationship and segments, channels, revenue and cost structure. Module 9, Business Success Checklist. In this module, you will learn what does success mean to you, believe in yourself, and how to review your business plan. Module 10, Take Actions. In this module, you will learn about the preparation of an executive summary, select supporting documents, and how to make an action plan. Module 11, Idea Presentation and Business Pitching. In this module, you will learn how to present an idea to the potential investors and other renowned people. Module 12, Best Idea Award and Closing Session. In this section, one idea will be awarded as the Best Idea Award and closing remarks. Are you looking for an opportunity to join country's one of the biggest employment creation programs? Well, here's your chance. We are offering a unique opportunity to join our program and be part of something bigger. Join this 3-month program and maximize your skills. This is your chance to maximize your skills to make your own kingdom by either getting a job or starting your new startup business. All you need to do is find the form given with this post and fill it up as quickly as possible. This program is open to anyone without any restrictions, so don't hesitate to join. Plus, we only have limited seats, so be sure to act fast and secure your spot. You don't want to miss out on this amazing opportunity. So, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and fill up the given form and join our program. We look forward to having you on board.